Hi educators, today I am featuring Screencastify Submit. We do have a district license to this software and you can access it by going to your bookmark tools up here on the upper right hand corner. You might need to go to screencastify.com and sign in with Google as well. So within your menu options, you can record videos, edit those videos, and access Screencastify Submit. Within the Submit area, I've shown a couple assignments that I've done, and you can use this tool to create links that your students can use to record and submit videos to you. They don't need login credentials and they don't need the Screencastify extension within their Chromebooks. So I'm going to show you a really quick video of an overview of features within Screencastify Submit.
From every student has always felt impossible. Whether they're struggling at home, too shy to speak in front of their peers, or one of 30 students all looking for feedback simultaneously. The traditional classroom can often limit student expression and silence our most vulnerable students. But Screencastify Submit makes it possible for any teacher to hear from every student. Teachers create assignments, Submit generates a magic link, students click to record on any device. No new accounts, extensions, or applications required. And videos automatically appear in the teacher's Google Drive. It's the easiest, most secure way to give your students a platform to share their voice, their ideas, and their learning.
In order to create a new assignment to post to Google Classroom, once you enter Screencastify Submit, click on New Assignment button. It will then let you choose the options for the students. You can have them record their screen and camera, just themselves talking through their camera, or just a screen recording. Once you click Next, you give it a title, give them instructions, click on Next, then you set the assignment access. Anyone in your organization, so anyone within the school district or anyone with this link. Then you edit the video privacy for the students. If you don't want the students to view each other's videos, click here. If you just want them to view their own, choose this option. And if you want students to view all of the videos, choose the third. You can turn email notifications on or off if you wish to get notified when a video is submitted. Then click Next. Then your assignment will be live. You'll get the URL to then copy and then click Preview. You will be able to see what the assignment will look like for the students once they click on the link in Google Classroom. It will let the students know what it is going to record. Once they hit record, they can choose entire screen, their browsing window, or just a Chrome tab. So I can choose entire screen. This is what it will look like for them. They will begin recording. They have this recording area up here. Once they are done, they can click on Stop Recording. They will then be able to view the video by just clicking play. Once they are satisfied with their submission, they can hit Submit. If they don't want to submit what they've done, they can click on Start Over. It gives them instructions right up here. And once the students hit Submit, it will automatically go into the assignment that you posted on Google Classroom. All the video submissions will be right there. Then the students will see this message once they submit their video. To share a Screencastify Submit assignment in your Google Classroom, simply open up Screencastify, navigate to the Submit tab, then choose the assignment you would like to post, click on Copy Link, go to your Google Classroom, either create or open up a already created assignment, give it a title, instructions, click on the Add Link button, paste the link URL right there. I just held down Control, clicked V to paste. I'm going to click Add Link. And then once I choose my students, the score, due date, and topic, I will then click Assign. Now, going back to some good uses for Screencastify Submit. Students can choose to use this tool to explain a topic, to narrate a slideshow, record their reading fluency, use digital math manipulatives, solve a word problem, do a book report narration, reflect on their learning, or get some peer feedback. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for listening.